Would you like to learn how to make ciabatta like this? It will take you literally 3 minutes to learn. Mix 150 grams of sourdough starter, 400 grams of water, and 10 grams of salt. Mix it well until it achieves this point, a shaggy-looking dough. Cover it and let it rest for 1 hour. Stretch the edge of the dough and fold it across. Turn the bowl 1/4 turn. Repeat it. Repeat this action 8 to 10 times. Cover it and let it rest for 30 minutes. With wet hands, simply pull up the dough from under the middle section and let it fold on itself. Turn the bowl 1/4 turn and repeat it. Cover it and let it rest for 30 minutes. Perform 2 more coil and fold sessions, with 30 minutes of rest in between then. Cover it for bulk fermentation. The dough has doubled in size and is jiggly and bubbly, but I did make one mistake. If you spotted it, leave in the comments. Place the dough on a floured counter. Make sure to have your baking trays lined with parchment paper and ready. Sprinkle some flour on top of the dough. Lightly stretch the dough using the tip of your fingers without squeezing too much. Pull the edges away from the center of the dough, forming a rectangular shape. Sprinkle more flour over it before shaping the loaves. Cut it in any shape you wish. The traditional shape is a long rectangular shape, similar to a sandal. Place on your baking sheet. Maintain at least 1 inch of space between loaves. Preheat your oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Place a small pan with water at the lower rack as a source of steam. This will ensure that your loaves expand before it forms a crust. Bake for 20 minutes. Remove the steam source, reduce the heat to 400, and bake for another 15 to 20 minutes, depending on how light or dark you prefer your crust. They achieve this golden brown crust in 38 minutes total. If you find this content helpful, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.